go in. I know. It's actually having a poo, is she? Right. It's on top of that, is it? Right. Okay. I know, really. I'm going to have to find something now. We'll get rid of it. Okay?